side of your family? Roy, you also have that. You know, he told me about his lineage. Sa amin po sa Seventh-day Adventist. I will speak this in Tagalog so everyone understand. This is what you told me yesterday. Sila po, ang pinanggalingan nila sa amin, sa simbahan namin, sa Amerika, ay sila yung mga poste ng simbahan. So, sa mga kamag-anak ni Sherry, hindi kayong kawan. Because their family is one of the pillars of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. At kung nakilala niyo siya, kung mabait siya, ganun din kami yung apat. Ganun din kami apat. And for all you know, kami yung mga walang bisyo. Hindi na ninagarilyo, hindi na ng lalaki o ng babae. Hindi nyo maririnig na bumurang, ng bubulpe. Yan ang mga Seventh-day Adventist. Pinopromote ko na kasi kawawa naman ito pag-alis. Yes. I just promoted us as a church that we are good people. They have to trust you. Yeah. That you will take care of Sherry for the rest of your life. So, when you marry, this marriage, you commit ourselves to the other. You promise to caringly bring your whole self to your relationship. These clothes Paul invites us to put on are not made of natural fibers. Hindi yung katulad nito tela. They are woven of spiritual stuff. Spiritual ito lahat. Try as you might in your own power to create them, you need God to create them. For instance, human nature says, I'll do my fair share, but no more. Ito lang ang gagawin ko. Ito lang bibigay ko sa relationship. Or, inaway mo siya, hindi mo siya pinansin. She deserves it. No. For it's His turn to give in compassion, humility, kindness, gentleness, forgiveness, love. These don't come naturally. Mahirap to sa tao na. They are gifts God gives us when we pray for them. That is the reason why Apostle Paul is saying that this occasion is a holy and beloved occasion. Compassion, kindness, lowliness, meekness, patience, forbearing one another. And sabi niya, if one has a complaint against another, forgiving each other as the Lord has forgiven you. So you must also forgive. And above all these things, put on, ano yung jacket? Put on love, which binds everything in perfect harmony. Let the peace of Christ rule in your hearts. God bless you. And again, kudos to Roy and Sherry. Now, I would like to ask Pastor Ponch, before we actually do the consecration prayer, dedication, to take control of this ceremony right now.
Please rise. Thank you, Pastor Jim, for that package message for the couple.